Here we are, week 4, unit 7. We're talking about World War II. This week you're going to have you're going to be looking at some laws, doing some reading and research about the 400 laws that the Nazis passed to persecute the Jews during World War II. Then you're going to look at an article about fascism, how they took control, dictatorial control over Germany, and the people. It went from a democracy to, as you learned in the previous week, from a democracy to a fascist regime, where people no longer had a voice in the government. And then you're going to be reading either an article about the Holocaust, you can choose, or an article that focuses in on the Nuremberg laws and the Nuremberg trials. The Nuremberg trials at the end of World War II held the Nazi Party liable for the deaths of the Jews in the concentration camps. And then finally, working through this difficult unit, at the end of the unit, we'll be able to do the art and writing competition as an assessment for this unit. So pace yourselves. Come to class. We'll see you this week in class. We'll be working on these assignments together. I look forward to seeing you then.